Today I'm going to be installing the clutch master cylinder. I have a template that I printed out that I'm going to put up, and then from there I'm going to cut out the template, put the new one in. I'm going to have to grind this stud down. I might grind this one off as well. These two are the only ones that stay. I put a template over on there with those two bolt holes, and then I draw with a Sharpie, and then I cut that small hole into a hole like this, and then from there, this is what's gonna go into place. So technically it sits further in, and then it has a remote. This goes to a reservoir that will be mounted here, and then the head of the LS engine will sit further back. Stay tuned. You'll see how the progress goes. So technically this is the almost finished project. I went ahead and replaced the hardware on it. I'm gonna be running a line from here, this reservoir right here. It's gonna sit right there. I haven't finished this project yet because I am waiting on the brake master cylinder delete from Chase Bays. So I went ahead and threw some paint on it, cleared it a little bit just for now, until I can fix this little situation right here. I'm gonna put some plates on these openings here, and I'm gonna close them up, get rid of these here, kind of flush them down, paint them, take off all this and paint it, and then give it a different look. But for now, I will finish the installation of the clutch master whenever I do the brake master cylinder. All right, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, have a good one, guys. Peace.